ready? One.
Liz, over here.
3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Look at
Happy birthday, dear Lindsay. Happy birthday to you. How old are you today, Lindsay? Are you
2, yes.
2 years old? Can we give Lindsay a little present?
Liz.
Let's see. Maybe Sandy, can you give Lindsay our birthday card?
Oh, they made you a card. Liz, your friends.
Sammy, can you go do it? Oh, you got cupcakes.
Look at this birthday dance
I
here.
don't think anybody.
They're going to give you a card. Go get it. Your friends made you a card.
So nice.
Linz, what do you say? Say thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Open it. There's a really cool picture in there. I know, it's a little tricky.
You got it? Okay, here, Mommy can help. There you go. Oh, that's a funny face. I love it.
I love it.
That's you? Who is that girl?
It's Essie.
Lindsay who?
That's it.
Lindsay Johnson. Yeah. Okay, that was great.